In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track billable hours in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through two simple ways to record time, using a single time activity and using a weekly timesheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture billable hours so they flow correctly to your customer invoices. Let's start with the single time activity. This method is great when you want to record one specific block of time, like a single meeting, a short task, or when you're entering time as it happens. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look toward the top left and click on the New button, often shown as a plus sign. In the menu that appears, choose Single Time Activity. This opens a form where you'll enter the details of the work you did. First, choose the date the work was performed. Make sure this matches the actual day you or your team member did the work, not necessarily the day you're entering it. Next, select the employee or contractor who did the work. This is important for tracking labor and making sure reports reflect the right person's time. Then, pick the customer or specific project that this time applies to. This is what allows the time to later appear on invoices for that customer. Now, look for the option labeled Billable with an hourly rate. Turn this on so QuickBooks knows this time should be charged to the customer. Finally, either enter the total time spent, like 2 hours, or use the start and end times if you tracked it more precisely. Once everything looks correct, save the activity. Now let's move on to the weekly timesheet. This is ideal when you or your team track time over an entire week and want to enter it all at once. Again, click the New button and this time choose Weekly Timesheet. At the top, select the employee or contractor whose time you're logging, and then choose the week you want to work with. You'll see the days of that week laid out in columns. For each day, select the customer and the service or type of work performed. Then, check the billable box so those hours can be pulled onto an invoice later. Enter the number of hours worked for that customer on that day. Repeat this for each day and each customer as needed. When you're done, review the totals and save the timesheet. That's all there is to it. Use single-time activities for one-off entries and weekly timesheets when you're logging a full week of work, and your billable hours in QuickBooks Online will stay organized and ready for invoicing.